People in Orange are learning they'll soon have nowhere to go locally for inpatient hospital care. Baptist Orange has announced it'll direct most inpatient services to Baptist Hospital in Beaumont. In a letter to citizens, the board of directors said the hospital had an average loss of $1.8 million each year for the last 11 years. The board cites a decline in patient demand. Only about 8 patients fill beds each day. The board also points to a decline in Medicare and Medicaid reimbursements, a loss of subsidies due to the Affordable Care Act, and a lack of medical specialists and other factors. The hospital has been open since 1957 and will remain open, but in a different form. KFDM's Haley Boole is investigating. She joins us live now at Baptist Hospital Orange with new details and reaction. Haley?
Greg, while most inpatient services here will be referred to Baptist Hospital in Beaumont starting in June, this emergency department behind me will remain open and operational 24/7. But the loss of the community's only place to go for inpatient services, a concern for the county and citizens. Baptist Orange has provided care for families since 1957. Beginning June 1st, it'll no longer offer inpatient care.
My mom's a heart patient, so we'd have to travel, and that's really scary.
Kathy Faulk says her mother has stayed in the hospital for care, but if she needs specialized or inpatient care again, she and others will be referred to Baptist Hospital in Beaumont.
It's going to be an added inconvenience, time, money. It's just really bad news for this town.
A town that will not lose emergency services. The emergency department will remain open 24/7, including lab and imaging services. Patients can still go to an infusion clinic, pharmacy, and sleep center.
You worry about extended care and the fact that if you had to stay somewhere, there is no place to stay in Orange, and it's a fairly, it's a good-sized town, that needs a hospital.
A letter from the hospital's board of directors cites a loss of $1.8 million each year for 11 years due to a decline in patient demand, reimbursements, funding, and medical specialists.
Well, I was disappointed. I'm disappointed personally. I'm disappointed for the citizens of Orange County. I'm disappointed for everybody. It was an important thing to have inpatient services, and I thank Baptist Hospital for serving our community for as long as they have.
Orange County Judge Brent Carlton says the county is looking for ways to fill the void.
So we're going to continue to try to find a way to have inpatient services available for our citizens, and there's a few ways to do it, and there are some other interested hospitals that have contacted us, and we'll work with them to see if we can get those services restored as soon as possible.
Services people are sad to see disappear.
I think I was born in that hospital, and my son was born in that hospital too, so yeah, it would be. Yeah, I would say so.
Again, while inpatient services may be ending, the hospital is not closing its doors and emergency services will continue. Reporting live in Orange, Haley Boole, 6 News Tonight.